Hi and welcome to what hopefully is a short Project Marlin video and a bit of a 2022 update. So I think it's been over a year now since the last video. I'm not too sure, I have to look it up and I can't be bothered. So Project Marlin still exists. Things aren't really happening at the moment. These are down to personal matters in my own life, which are becoming closer to resolved, and once they are, hopefully we'll get on and get all the welding done on the cab, and hopefully get the cab put back together again, and then look at recommissioning the engine and sort the electrics out. And I haven't lost faith in the project, so I still intend to be doing the project. But yeah, I'm just sat here waiting for my van to demist on a horrible wet February Sunday. We've got a new member of the Project Marlin team. I don't think you've met. It's Esme, who's nice and wet because she's been out for a walk. The workshop's just here behind me. Obviously things have changed in the workshop quite a lot in the last 2 years. When we took the workshop on, Jimmy and myself, it was 4 projects, so the Celica and to do stuff indoors with the Marlin. And my business took off from my garage and ran out of space, so the workshop is used an awful lot now. It's my main base of operations for my business, and it's got cluttered. It's got very cluttered with a Ransom's triple gang mower, a little laser ride on, lots of like rotavators, mowers, strimmers, an awful lot of stuff that has come in early on as a project to be done and sold off, but it's not going to get done. So an awful lot of it sold on eBay yesterday, and I've got a load more to put on eBay, so that'll clear out some space. Hopefully when these things in my personal life are resolved, we're going to expand the workshop. There's going to become a bigger area, but the extension area is going to be mostly for my business, and there's going to be more space for projects as well, because we'll free up some of the original workshop. My business is going really well. I've literally yesterday received these brochures for wiper robot mowers. I'm now a distributor. No, not a distributor. I'm now a dealer. The distributor is a local company, and I'm signed up for them, so I can sell them. My house is on the market. If anybody wants a nice 4-bedroomed chalet style bungalow with very big rooms in the North Wiltshire area, have a look at Shurston in North Wiltshire, and my bungalow on Rightmove. My bungalow's on there. It's a really nice house. Be sad to move from it, but HMRC want some inheritance tax, and we have to sell the house to pay that. So there was that. What else was I going to tell you? I'm doing this again. I'm terrible for forgetting what I'm going to say halfway through a video. So business is going well. Project Marlin. Oh, Project Marlin. Right. So since the last video, I have put a post on the Facebook page. We've managed to get a new old stock control lever for the monitor. They're made in Germany. I managed to find it from a seller of bric-a-brac and antiques in America. So cost a lot of money, but it's still cheaper than trying to find a new old stock in Europe. So we've got the monitor joystick, and I also contacted Renk, who made the transmission. Didn't expect any answer from them. Eventually got an email back, and they didn't know they made any gearboxes for fire engines. There's no one there in the company now that was in those departments that were working for the company when the gearbox for my truck was made. Turns out there are only 10 of those gearboxes made for the 10 Marlins, but they've been in the archive, and I now have a scanned version of the original hand-typed manual for the gearbox with all the kick-down cable settings and how to pressure test it and all of the specs for the filters and all that. So that's brilliant. Really pleased. I was talking to Jimmy last night again about stuff to do with the channel. We've got this video actually, I filmed a video last year that I just wasn't happy with it. I didn't like the way it was formatted, and it's contemplating on the future of restoration and heritage projects in this country, and the future of everything really in this country in some respects. But I filmed it as a piece of camera a bit like this. I was talking to Jimmy last night, and I think we're going to try and do it more film a video. Well, between us we'll discuss it. We might try and get a third person involved as well, because I'm sort of on the fence. I don't know which way I've fallen on the ideas that we're going to discuss. I know which way Jimmy falls. I've got a good idea which way Jimmy's going to fall. I think we need somebody else in to balance it a little bit, maybe, or to push it the other way. Maybe I'll be the balance. I don't know. So we need to get together to do that video. Quite where that video is going to be, Jimmy talked about setting up a camera and some seats in front of the Marlin, looking at the weather in the next few weeks at least. We ain't going to be doing it outside, so it might be at my house, it might be here at the workshop, maybe it's somewhere else. Maybe we've got 2 seats in the van here spare, maybe we'll all sit in the van and do it. We'll have to see. So we've got that plan for the video. If I come up with another video, I've got the siren unit. I've got a Wayland silent siren unit, and I've got a second-hand siren. Maybe I should wire those up and see if I can get them working. That might be a video. I've got the light bar to rebuild still. Just pull my finger out. It's having the space to do that. Maybe the light bar. This is quite a big thing. I took it apart in my backyard, and it's chucking it down with rain all the time at the moment, so I don't want to put it together in there. Anyway, I'm babbling again. So it's been, whoops, finger over the. You know, I'm dangerous if I try to do anything like this on a proper scale. Right. So thanks for watching the video. It's been nice to actually sit here and do one again. If you like the video, please click like. If you want to follow the channel and you don't already, please click subscribe. And if you'd like notifications, hit the bell icon. And as ever, love to hear from you in the comments, or through email. I've had a few emails actually recently, but I'll leave that for another video before I start babbling on anymore. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you again soon.